Hello Taurus, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs. Kamusta kayo? Sana po nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan. Welcome back po sa Star Tarot. Kung bago kayo rito, welcome din kayo. Thank you for your support. I truly appreciate it. God bless you all. Taurus, pauna mensahe po ninyo forgiveness. Ayan. So, napakaganda nito. Kasi, when we are deciding to forgive, ibig sabihin na our heart is expanding. Diba? We are choosing love rather than continue to be mad, continue to be yung wala ka pa rin sa magandang kalagayan, 'di ba, ng inyong loob, may galit pa rin, hatred, mga gano'n, no? But when we are ready to forgive, ibig sabihin, handa na tayong harapin, no, kung ano man ang sitwasyon na ito. You have that radical acceptance already of what happened, no, in the past, kung kaya nagkaroon kayo ng sama ng loob, nagkaroon ng kagalit, whatsoever, no? But the fact that you are going to forgive, no, or maybe you are willing to ask for forgiveness, kung kayo naman ang hihingi ng pagpapatawad, ibig sabihin nun na nakahanda ka ng harapin ang pagbabagong buhay, ang pag-move on, no? At meron ng acceptance, meron ng pagpapatawad, kaya nagbubukas na or binubuksan mo na yung pinto sa puso mo para gawin ito lahat, no, magpakumbaba at step up as the bigger person sa sitwasyon, and you're ready to move on from this situation. Kaya maganda to, makakagaan ito ng pakiramdam, makakapaaliwalas ng inyong isipan. We have improving health, and yes, ayan, napakaganda. Yes to forgiveness, yes to improving health, 'di ba? So lahat positibo, no, ang naiisip ninyong gawin, positibo yung energy na bumabalot sa inyo sa ngayon. Improving health, not necessarily na physical situation lang ito na mag-i-improve, no? It could be physical health, it could be mental health, it could be your emotional health, it could be financial health, no? Siguro na that is going to improve. So depende yan sa inyong sitwasyon, but definitely you are receiving healing, no, from those areas of life, and many other areas of life depende sa inyong sitwasyon na maaring pinagdadasal ninyo na bumuti na ang kalagayan, mag-improve na ang sitwasyon, no? This yes card this is a definite yes. Konkreto na to, hindi na to mababago, hindi na to magigiba, kumbaga, na yes na ito. This is konkreto, matibay, at firm na ito. Hindi na to mababali pa. It is a definite yes. So, maaaring kayo ay may pagsasabihin ng yes, or baka kayo yung makakatanggap ng yes answer from other people. Baka meron kayong proposal, baka meron kayong mga transactions dito, and maybe now you are getting the yes answer to that. So, good luck sa'yo. Tingnan natin. Maaari din na go signal yan sa inyo ng Divine Universe. Maaaring kayo ay may pinagdadasal, no? Nag-a-ask kayo ng confirmation or guidance kung tama nga ba yung path na dinadaanan ninyo, or tama nga ba yung ginagawa ninyo or gagawin ninyo. So, maaaring yan din ang kasagutan para sa'yo. It is a yes. We have hope. Your loved ones in the spirit world know when to reach out if they see you're at a low point, whether you're caught up in a difficult situation or is struggling with someone specific in your life, there is always hope. Kaya huwag kayong mawala ng pag-asa. Ano man ang sitwasyon na pinagdadaanan ninyo, even if you are in the lowest point sa buhay ninyo, you know, wag kayong susuko, wag kayong mag-give up, because there is always hope. Even if we don't see it, there is always hope, no? Yun ang yakapin natin, yun ang i-embrace natin sa sarili natin. Always remember, always nabuhayin ninyo yung pag-asa sa puso ninyo, because when you are hoping, you know, for the best possible outcome, when you are hoping for the things, no, na ikakabuti ng inyong sitwasyon, talagang one day, no, you will see, you will notice na kusa na siyang nangyayari, 'Di ba? Ibibigay at ibibigay yan sa iyo ng Divine Universe. Kaya never ever lose hope. Okay? Yun ang dapat na inaangklahan natin lagi. Okay? What else? We have let go. Once you let go of the outcome, you'll be able to release all the emotional constraints that have held you back in the past. Trust in the higher good and guidance of the Spirit, as we have only your best intentions at heart and will do everything in our power to protect you. Okay? So, kahit ano man ito, no? Kahit ano man ito na outcome na siguro talagang inaangklahan ninyo, no, maaaring ini-insist ng iba sa inyo na dapat ganito, dapat ganon, diba? Ano man ito, no, i-give up nyo na yan, i-let go mo na yan, at ialay mo na lang yan sa Panginoon. Kasi when we are surrendering to the natural ebb and flow of life, mas mararamdaman ninyong magaan ang journey. Wala kayong stress, halos na mararamdaman kasi inaalay ninyong lahat, ipinagkakatiwala ninyong lahat, no, sa Divine Universe. And when you are surrendering also, make sure that you're also listening, or always listening and following what your intuition is telling you, kasi the Divine Universe will always send you guidance, no, kung ano na ang dapat ninyong gawin, kung ano yung mga best na things that you need to do or you can do. Okay? So, what else? We have gratitude. And sabi dito, life is one big continuous circle of giving and receiving energy. Be thankful for who and what's in your life instead of complaining about what you don't have. If you focus on gratitude, you'll start to attract prosperity and abundance. Kaya napakahalaga, no, ng gratitude attitude. If we are projecting always, no, ng gratitude attitude natin, ano man ang biyaya, ano man ang blessing na natanggap natin sa buhay natin, when you are expressing your gratitude, mas marami pang ibibigay sa'yo. Mas marami pang pinto ang bubuksan mo dito for more blessings, more abundance, and more prosperity to come into your life. Kaya, ano man ang biyaya dumating sa iyo in any shape or form, whatever it is, whenever it is, no, malaki man o maliit, big time man o hindi, no, bongga man or simple lang, regardless of its form, dapat lagi nating ipagpapasalamat yan, because the more na ina-acknowledge natin ang regalo sa atin ng Panginoon, the more na nagpapasalamat tayo, the more na ina-appreciate natin ang kahit anumang biyayang binibigay niya, mas lalo kang bibiyayaan ng Divine Universe, mas lalo kang bibigyan ng mas marami pa. So, good luck. Thank you for watching. Love and light. Namaste.